once you reach the age of 80, now remember, you got to think, this is a way of letting you know where you are in your life cycle. Once you hit 80, then it is considered that you have reached the age that you don't have to come back. You don't have to reincarnate. Now you're qualified to become an ancestor. It's an aspiration. It's something to look up to. You become a spirit guardian. However, it is not guaranteed that you automatically become an ancestor if you've been doing bad things in your life. If you do not do good deeds in your life, the ancestors may not welcome you into the ancestral world. You may find yourself hovering, trying to find a place between reincarnation and ancestorhood. If you reincarnate after your 7th life cycle, you may come back as a lower animal. If you can't make it into the ancestral world, you may have to come back or just keep hovering. But if you do come back, because you've lived a not so healthy or healthful life, you become a lower animal, a tree stump, or other manners of human breakdown. Now, somebody's going to argue, well, it's not how I heard it. It's not true. Somebody's going to have something to say to that effect. But I'm not here to argue, because like I said, it is not, we Chiists, we don't believe exclusive truth. Okay? We're not here to preach exclusive, believe all of that. It's just an African folklore or mythology. That's all that is. But what is not mythology? Everything is mythology based on the culture, the spiritual concepts of people, of different cultures. I don't care what you believe. That's up to you. But if it's all based on my people's mythology, then that's fine with me. The purpose of myth is to offer you an opportunity to visualize the world that you live in, and possibly the life that you will live in after you live here. All of this is all social conditioning, spiritual conditioning. It is all a way to get you to do the right things while you are here. And if by chance there's that other place, you qualify to be there.